In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use find and recode in Xero. This feature is incredibly useful for managing and correcting your accounting records efficiently. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log in to Xero accounting software. It's essential to have your login credentials ready to ensure a smooth entry into your account. Once you're on Xero's login page, simply click on the Login button. It's usually quite prominent on the page. Now enter your email and password into the respective fields. This is the information you use to create your Xero account. After entering your credentials, proceed by clicking the Login button to access your dashboard. Upon reaching your dashboard, locate the Accounting tab. Clicking on it will present you with a drop-down menu. Here you'll find Find and Recode listed under your favorites if you've added it there. However, if it's not in your favorites, you should select Advanced to locate Find and Recode. This feature allows you to streamline your accounting corrections by searching and updating multiple transactions at once. Once you're on the Find and Recode page, you'll begin by adding a condition. To do this, click on plus, add a condition. This allows you to filter the transactions you wish to recode. For demonstration purposes, let's select contact from the available criteria. After selecting, type the contact name into the provided field. This helps narrow down the search to specific transactions associated with that contact. Next, click Search. Xero will process your request and present you with a list of relevant transactions. Once the list appears, select the transactions you wish to recode by ticking the checkboxes next to them. After making your selection, proceed by clicking on the Recode button. At this stage, you have the option to change the contact name if that suits your needs, though it's not mandatory. The process is similar when you're changing the account. Choose a new account from the drop-down list. Additionally, if the tax rate needs adjustment, you can change it from the drop-down as well. With all the necessary changes made, click Review to see a summary of the alterations you've set up. It's essential to ensure everything looks correct before applying the changes. After reviewing the details, the final step is to click Confirm. This action will implement the changes across the selected transactions, helping maintain accuracy and consistency in your financial records. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on using Find and Recode in Xero. It's a handy tool that can help you manage your accounting tasks more efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful and can apply these steps successfully in your own Xero account management.